Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to restrict websites on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your browser. And basically, if you want to restrict websites on your iPhone, just go ahead to the settings, screen time, and then content and privacy restrictions, and then enter your screen time passcode. Tab content restrictions, tab the web content, choose unrestricted access, limit adult website or allowed website. So go back to your screen, go ahead to the settings, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead to the screen time, just scroll a little bit down, content and privacy restrictions. You're going to see right here, make sure that you color this one green, and here you're going to be able to see the store web and Siri in-game content center. Click on it, and basically you're going to see right here the web content. Make sure that you if you wanted to restrict it, you can restrict it to a limit adult website or only approved websites, or just leave it out. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we'll definitely see you in the next one.